Now this method is the major method that I use for all my rank and run sites, and that's called using an iframe. Now with the iframe, it's pretty much overlaying someone else's site on top of yours. Now there's actually, I think there's dozens or even hundreds of applications and softwares out there to do this. You can easily search it up or whatever, but I personally use SEM Easy, and I also tested around the source CCS. But I just like using SEM Easy because it's really dang easy. But yeah, I'm not affiliated with any of these guys, so don't think I'm like promoting them or whatever. I just use them because they're easy to use. Now, having said that, in the future, maybe in the next couple months or so, we are going to release our very own premium iframe thing just for all rank and run members or rank and run mastery members. So if you are in the mastery, you will get that application for free, but that is nowhere close to being done right now. I'm still talking to the developers and whatnot, so we still have to use SEM Easy and Source CCS or whatever else for now. So for now, let's do this, and when I create the iframe for the other ones, I'll be sending out an email to everyone in the membership so they can get it for free. So let's just jump right into it. I want to use SEM Easy in this example. You can use anything else, but let's just do it for now. So I'm going to sign up. I already put in my stuff over here, so I'm going to proceed to PayPal. I'm going to buy it and I'm going to install it on the site. So I'll be right back. Alright, so we purchased it. Now we are a premium member, and what you want to do is go to this little button over here that says Download Locker, and you want to install the SEM Easy plugin. So I'm going to download this, start download, and now I want to go back to my site over here. Now that we bought that, we want to go to install the plugin in our site. So we want to go to plugins, add new, upload the plugin, and very easily just choose the file and pop in the file that we downloaded from SEM Easy, which is over here. So install now, activate. Cool. Now there is this tab over here that came on, the SEM Easy, and what you want to do, it's called Double Agent. Now Double Agent is pretty much the iframe that you want to be using. So you want to click Install Extensions. Install this right now. Oh, I forgot, I have to also go ahead and activate the membership. Now you want to go to Membership, get Activate. Now what you want to do is click Add this domain to my account, and it's going to open up a tab which is going to have your license key. Now I'm not going to show you guys the license key because I just purchased and bought this, but I'm going to stop the video for now, copy my license key, and just and what you need to do is you want to copy your domain and pop it in the license key. It's very easy to use. Just copy it, copy the domain, click this button, and you'll see what you have to do. Now you have to go ahead and you have to link the domain to your license key. When that's done, click domain already linked, paste your license key over here, which I am not going to do on video, and put in your email. I'm just going to go ahead and do that right now and activate it. And when we activate it, we get this awesome premium plugin thing. So we want to go back to general, and now we can install the Double Agent plugin. And let's do this right now. Great, now the Double Agent plugin is now installed. And the great thing that I like about SEM Easy is because you can put unlimited sites on it. So you get it to subscription once and you can literally put hundreds and hundreds of sites on it, which is exactly what I did. So now once the Double Agent plugin is set up, the tab's going to be right over here to the left. So click Double Agent plugin and you can mess around with all this stuff over here. But it's important to note that let's set up the payment options. So you want to go to payment settings, and you can put in your PayPal email, whatever, to where the money is going to over here, with the button and the recurring price. So if we're selling the site for $200, we want to make it that it goes recurring every month. Or if you want to sell it dearly, you can sell it for $2,000 every year. It's very awesome how you can do this. So what you want to do is you want to save this right now. and go to general, and where it says default banner location, I like putting this at the bottom and just put blue or whatever color you want. And you're gonna see what's gonna happen right now. So we're gonna go back to our pages. Now what you wanna do, it's not activated right now, so you have to go ahead and you have to activate it. So go back to your double agent, go to control panel, and click the button here that says enable double agent on all pages and posts. So click that. It's going to go ahead and it's going to enable it for all the pages. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to rent out each and every single one page. So each page is its own entity right now. So we go back ahead to the site, and you can turn this off for this page as well. You can read more, and each and every one of the pages is going to have its own little bottom thing over here. This blue is really ugly. You can go ahead and you can change it or remove it. I'm just going to remove it over here, and you can change the messaging. Be like, hey, rent out our site now. Save all changes, and it's going to go ahead and add that over here. That looks way better. So to learn how, you can add a little video over here, and there's a 5-minute trial as well. So I'm just going to show you how this works right over here. So fill out the information and put in a random URL. I'm just going to put the Yelp URL for this and click 5-minute trial. And what it goes ahead and does is, if you look at this right now, this is actually like this URL right now is rented out to this page right now. So if you go back to the root domain, it's a completely different page. Now if we go back to that page, that one that we just rented out, it's going to come up. So this makes it that each and every single one of the pages, it's its own entity, which makes it so awesome. Now you can go ahead and you can play with the general settings over here with the messaging and the email and all that stuff. You can go ahead and play around with it to make it look awesome. But this is what I love about SEM Easy, because it's so easy to use and you can use it on unlimited sites basically. So this is pretty much it. Each site becomes its own entity. So if you have thousands and thousands of pages, therefore you have thousands and thousands of entity, and therefore you have thousands and thousands of streams of income from one single site. If you guys had any questions regarding this entire thing, I basically set this up from scratch for you guys. The only thing that I couldn't show was my license key for obvious reasons. But if you have any questions, pop it in the Facebook mastermind.